Student Group. So in this video, we will explain about the strategies of learning TOEFL. First of all, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Adele Febrina Bustepo.
My name is Zakniaul Ilmi.
My name is Dian Maharani Murutarigan.
My name is Fitri Nur Hidayah.
My name is Sahira Saskia Putri.
And I am Inggit Anastasia Sebayang.
The meaning of TOEFL is standardized test used to measure the English proficiency on non-native speakers, especially in academic context. TOEFL is commonly required for university admissions, especially in the US and Canada, scholarship application, work, and immigration purpose.
TOEFL version. The paper version of the TOEFL has the fillings. 1. Listening comprehension, test ability to understand spoken English through audio recordings and multi-type choice question. 2. Structure and written expression, test ability to recognize correct grammar and sentence structure. 3. Reading comprehension test, understanding of written English and vocabulary through reading poses, guess, and question. 4. Test of written English, test ability to write on organized and meaningful essay in The paper version of the TOEFL has the followings. 1. Listening comprehension, test ability to understanding spoken English through audience recording and multi-type choice question. 2. Structure and written expression, test ability to recognize correct grammar and sentence structure. 3. Reading comprehension, just understanding of written English and vocabulary through reading poses and question. 4. Test of written English, just ability to write on organized and meaningful essay in 13 minutes, not always include. Computer-based TOEFL, 1 listening, similar to paper version but use handphones and computer screen visuals. 2. Structure, test grammar by completing or correcting sentence on a computer screen. 3. Reading requests, reading passages on screen and answering comprehension and vocabulary question. 4. Writing requests, writing on essay in 13 minutes either on the computer or by hand.
Okay, strategy number 1 is focus on the last line. First of all, the last line of the dialogue probably contains the answer to the question. Second, listen to the first line of the dialogue. If you understand it, that's good. But if you don't understand it, don't worry because it probably does not contain the answer. And the last, be ready to focus on the last line of the dialogue because it probably contains the answer. Repeat the last line in your mind as you read through the answer in the text. And the explanation and the example from the paper and the computer TOEFL test. The short dialogues involve conversation between two people, each followed by a question. It is important to understand that the answer to this type of question is most often, but not always, found in the last line of the conversation. So, on the recording, you will hear a man will say, "Billy really made a big mistake this time." And the woman will say, "Yes, he forgot to turn in his research paper." The narrator will say, What does the woman say about Billy? So, in your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. It was the first time he made a mistake. B. He forgot to write his paper. C. He turned in the paper in the wrong place. And the D. He didn't remember to submit his assessment. And the explanation, the last line of this dialogue indicates that Billy forgot to turn in his research paper. And this means that he didn't remember to submit it. And the best answer is therefore answer D. And the strategy second or strategy 2 is choose answer with synonyms. First, as you listen to the last line of the dialogues, focus on keywords in that line. And the second, if you see any synonyms for keywords in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. For example, often the correct answer in a short dialogue is an answer that contains synonym, words with similar meanings but different sounds, for keywords in the conversation. An example is from the paper and computer TOEFL. You will hear woman will say, "Why is Barbara feeling so happy?" And the man will say, "She just started working in a real estate agency." And narrator will say, "What does the man say about Barbara?" In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. She always liked her work in real estate. B. She began a new job. C. She just bought some real estate. And the D. She bought a real estate agency. In this dialogue, the keyword start means begin, and the keyword working refers to job. So the best answer to this question is therefore answer B. Thank you.
Strategy 3. Avoid similar sound. Often the incorrect answer in the short dialogues are answers that contain words with similar sound but very different meanings from what you hear on the recording. You should definitely avoid this answer. Example from the paper, the computer. On the recording, you hear men say, "Why couldn't Mark come with you?" Woman say, "He was searching for a new apartment." Narrator say, "What does the woman say about Mark?" In your textbook or the computer screen, you read A. He was in the department office. B. He was looking for a place to live. C. He was working on his research project. D. He had an appointment at Skirts. An explanation, the keywords in the last line of the dialogues are searching an apartment. In answer C and D, the word research and cross sound like search. So this answer sound like search are incorrect. In answer A and D, the word department and appointment sound like apartment. So this answer are incorrect. The best answer is therefore answer B. Strategy 4. Draw conclusion about who, what, where. It is common in the short dialogues to ask you to draw some kind of conclusion. It is type of question the answer is not clearly stated. Instead, you must draw a conclusion based on clues given in the dialogues. One kind of conclusion that is common in this part of the text is to ask you to determine who the speaker is based on clues given in the dialogues. Example from the paper and computer. On the recording, you hear woman say, "Can you tell me what assignment I missed when I was absent for your class?" Men say, "You missed one homework assignment and a quiz." Narrator say, "Who is the man?" In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. A newspaper editor. B. A police officer. C. A teacher. D. A student. The clues, class, homework, and quiz in the dialogue tell you that the man is probably a teacher. answer C is therefore the correct answer. Thank you.
Strategy 5. Listen for who and what in passive. It is sometimes difficult to understand who or what is doing to action in a passive sentence. This problem is often tested in the short dialogues. Example from the paper and computer TOEFL. And the recording you heard. Man, did Sally go to the bank this morning? Woman, yes, she did. She got a new checking account. Narrator, what does the woman imply? In your textbook or on the computer screen you read. A. Sally wrote several checks. B. Sally wanted to check up in the bank. C. A new checking account was opened. D. Sally checked in the balance in her account. Explanation. In this dialogue, the woman uses the active statement she got a new checking account, which means that Sally opened a checking account. The correct answer uses the passive structure. A new checking account was opened to express the same idea. Therefore, the best answer to the question above is answer C. Strategy 6. Listen for who and what with multiple nouns. When there is more than one noun in a sentence in the short dialogues, it is common for the answer to confess which noun does what. Example from the paper and TOEFL. And the recording you heard. Man, do you know who is not the band now? Woman, I heard that Mara replacing Robert in the band. Narrator, what does the woman say about the band? In A, Robert became a non-member of the band. B, Robert took Mara's place in the band. C, Mara did have place in the band. D, Mara took Robert's place in the band. In the woman's response to the man's question, she talks about two people, Mara and Robert. And these two people are confused in the answer because Mara replaced Robert. This means that Mara took Robert place in the band. The best answer is therefore answer D.
Strategy 7. Listen for negative expression. Negative expressions are very common in the short dialogues and the most common kind of the correct response to negative statement in the positive statement contain a word with the comprehensive meaning. Example from the paper and computer. When the recording your head, man, how did they get to their grandmother's house in the man? It only 5 hours. Woman, they did drive slowly on the trip to Maine. Narrator, what does the woman say about the trip? In your textbook and the computer screen you read. A. They drive to father quickly. B. They can't have the ride more slowly. C. They wanted to travel slowly to Maine. D. They didn't drive to Maine. The correct answer is answer to A. If they did drive slowly to Maine, it means that they drive further quickly. Strategy 8. Listen for double negative expression. It is possible for the negative ideas to occur in one sentence when the result can be quick compression. Example from the paper and the computer. When the recording your head, man, I can't believe the news that I about the correct. Woman, really it's impossible what the correct to take place. Narrator, what does the woman say about the correct? In the textbook and the computer screen you read. A. There's no visible that the correct will take place. B. The correct will never not take place. C. The correct may take place. D. The correct can to take place. The correct is answer to C. If the reason is possible for the correct to place, then the possible the model make in the.
Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.